bloodline ng 1,200 kilometer mga lode. Ililipad natin dito sa ano natin, sa ating loft. Ayan, napakaganda. Ayan, mukhang Barbie mga lodi oh. Wow, putya, napakagandang hen mga lodi. Wow, hipo pa lang. Napakaganda oh. Bloodline ng 11 times champion. 700 kilometer.
Our club.
Boss Jen, galing mo talaga.
Thank you. Our club first was Colin Chang, first 3 places.
Well done, mate. Give him the trophy. Give him the trophy.
Trophy.
One first Timaroon. Well done, Colin.
For today's video, nakita nyo na naman yung pagmumukha. Ayan. So, for today's video, meron tayong binubutasan ng kahon ng diaper. Ayan. Kasi may pipick upin tayong, we're gonna pick up young bird and one old bird hen. Ayan. So, the young bird is from one of the best flyer in my club. He's a good in distance. And we're gonna fly that young bird on my loop. So I think that young bird is direct or brother or sister of his Invercargill. Yan. 1,200 kilometer, 6th placer if I'm not mistaken last year. Yeah. But thank you. I'm gonna have one young bird for now, and then the following weeks or month, the next the next young bird. Ayan. And then yung old bird, same bloodline ng 11 times champion na nakuha natin last time. So, tatry natin. Susubukan lang naman natin. But, yeah, congrats pala dun sa nakapagpa-daybird ng 900 kilometer kasi yesterday meron silang race 900 km and Christchurch 700 km. The 900 km is from Auckland to Timaru. So, congrats sa mga Pilipino na nakapagpa-uwi. So, mamaya din yung strike-off nila. Titingnan natin kung sino na nanalo. Okay?
Only one race.
Ayan, dito na tayo.
What race is it? Two.
Ito yung ibon na kukuhanin natin. Oh, yun, oh.
You only said first.
Ayun, oh, ang ganda. Ayun na yung trophy sa Christchurch saka Timaru. Si Colin Chang, oh. Invercargill champion last year. Alright. That's the Timaru one doon. That's the Timaru, 900 kilometer trophy yun. Maliit na yun. Ha? Ayan o, pang 900 kilometer trophy. Ito na yung result nila ng 700 kilometer. Looking good again dun sa ano, champion ng 700 kilometer Henderson. RB. Ayun na. Pio Bandier. Uy. Ayun na isa na yung pinakamabilis ngayon. 1321. Ang galing.
Colin, you're precious. Yes.
Colin Chang.
Uy.
Second, I think. Air Force One was second.
Air Force One.
But anyway, in our club first was Colin Chang, first 3 places.
Well done, mate. Give him the trophy.
Done.
Give him the trophy.
Trophy.
One first Timaroon. Well done, Colin. And then John Stabbit was 8th, 9th, and 10th in the North section.
Wow.
Well done, John. Well done. And 11th was John. Where is he?
Outside.
June! Hey, where are you?
Congratulations. We're just saying you were 11th in the North section. Then John was 12th and I was 13th. And then John was 14th, Roger Smith was 15th, and then Colin Chan was 16th. So it was,
Hey,
I
700
was first
kilometer.
in our club.
Yee! Boss Jun, galing mo talaga.
Thank you. Second in our club was Kevin Harding and Jackson. Third was Denver. Was well done.
Scary.
And then John,
You'll have to bring up down.
John was fourth block.
Price is going to go up, mate. Price is going to go up.
And then, yeah, but anyway, you can have a look at these results if you like.
Ayan, uwi na tayo mga lodi. Ayan siya, oh. Yee! Beautiful. Itong young bird, mamaya surprise na to, young bird. Surprise! Ito pa, binigyan pa tayong pedigree mga lodi. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung pedigree niya. Mamaya, doon sa bahay. Let's go! So yun mga kalapatids, yan, nakuha na natin yung pakay natin dun sa club kanina. Yung young bird na bloodline ng 1,200 kilometer. And then yung hen na same line ng 11 times champion na Jansen dito na yung bloodline na isa is kick arse kung tawagin. Ayan, ito yung pedigree niya. Ayan, pasulyap na kayo. Whoop! Yan, bahala na kayo dyan. Hindi ko pa masyado papakita kasi ayaw ko masyadong maano yung pangalan ng kwan masyado silang makita mamaya eh. Alam nyo na, confidential. Yan, anyway, ilabas natin to para makita na natin. Unahin natin yung young bird. Yan. Unahin na natin yung young bird. Unahin na natin. Ito yung bloodline ng 1,200 kilometer mga lode. Ililipad natin dito sa ano natin sa ating loft. Ayan, napakaganda. Ayan, mukhang Barbie mga lodi oh. Beautiful. Yan oh. Siya, magmumukhang pangit yung ibon natin nito. Batang bata pa mga lodi, kitang-kita nyo naman may mga balahibo pa sa ano, oh, sa ulo. Tara, lagay natin doon, baka ma-stress pa. Thank you sa tiwala, thank you for the trust. Alright, gandang ibon, napakaganda mga lodi, napaka beautiful. Looks like a cock. Malakas, strong bird. Oh. Saka napaka-soft ng ano, silky talaga yung pagkaka-breed niya, oh. Beautiful. Okay, dyan ka muna. Ayan, napakaganda ng young bird, mga lodi, oh. Ayan. Ano natin? Import. Bagong import sa New Unulop, mga lodi. Ayan yung magiging kalaban ng mga breed natin dito sa loop natin. Napakaganda. Grabe. Yan, ito naman yung bloodline ng kwan. Bloodline ng wow. Putya, napakagandang hen mga lodi. Wow, hipo pa lang. Napakaganda oh. Bloodline ng 11 times champion at second brother, full brother ng second bird ng pinagkuhanan natin. Pero breed by ano to sa Palmerston North. Ganda oh. Ang ganda mga lodi oh. Ayan. Napakaganda. Makakawala pa. Kondisyon na mga lodi. Bibreed na lang oh. Wow. Wow. Lakas. Palagi ko ni-raise nila to mga lodi. Tapos, syempre, natanggal tuloy yung mga balayibo. Wawa naman. Tingnan natin, ARPF pa yung ring mga lodi. Mukhang futurity ring pa to ah. Ganda, yearling mga lodi oh. Wow! Sus! Ganda ng mata. Try natin i-pair to dun sa inbreed ng 1,200 kilometer mga lodi na kak. Ayan oh, ganda oh. Beautiful. Alright.